turn this into this, my 2-ingredient Aquafaba chocolate mousse. Take a tin of beans or chickpeas and drain them. Now, we're not interested in the beans here. We're going to put those in the fridge for later to make a curry or hummus or whatever. And then we're going to take the magical ingredient of Aquafaba and make our mousse with it. So we're going to use about 120 grams or milliliters of Aquafaba, and we're going to whisk it for a good 5 minutes until it forms the stiffest peaks you can imagine, because that is what's going to give us our aeration in the mousse. So now we're going to combine our Aquafaba, our whipped Aquafaba, with our chocolate. And I want you to, using a metal spoon, this is how my granny taught me to do it, cut through the mousse and combine it, fold it together again and again, turning it like this so that you don't lose any air unnecessarily. You still will, but you're going to maintain a beautiful texture. So then pop it in a pot. I'm using 2 ramekins here. You could split it into 4. It's a really intense dessert, but my wife and I love chocolate. So finish it with some grated chocolate on top. And then once it's been in the fridge for about an hour or so, give it a try and enjoy it. It's really fun and simple to make. It's really hard to believe that this is just 2 ingredients. It's intensely chocolatey, caramelly, and really quite incredibly decadent.